Chatkara Dum Chicken Biryani. Special dish on special day. Let's make delicious chicken biryani. Chicken. In the chicken we will add aloo bukhara, tamarind and chicken biryani masala and mix it well and leave it for some time. Add yogurt. Leave for 1 hour. Take a pot and added oil. Added chopped onions. When the onions are nicely browned, take them out. Added ginger and garlic paste in hot oil. Spiced chicken will be added to it. Add salt. Add chopped green chili and cutted tomatoes. Add cumin and dry coriander. Add red chili powder and turmeric. We'll boil rice for biryani. Oil cumin seeds will be added to the dry coriander water, and after the water boils, the rice will be added. Now the biryani layers will be applied. For garnishes, brown onions, chopped tomatoes, lemons, and green chilies will be used. Now we will finish the biryani. Now open the tail and mix the rice well. Chatkara Dum Biryani is ready. The best way to win hearts is to eat delicious food. Make delicious biryani at home. Alhamdulillah. Thanks for watching. Stay with me.